If you are following me so far, you have noticed that I don't use Notepad for editing text. Rather, I use Micro. Why is that? Because I like to configure simple configuration files or text inside my terminal. I don't want another application, especially a graphical user interface application, to run just to edit some sort of text. Now, terminal based text editors have long list, especially the enthusiast persons use Vim, NeoVim or Emacs. Those are a whole different category of text editor. You can do various kind of personalization with those text editors, and there's a little bit of learning curve. It's not that I haven't tried them. I have tried NeoVim as well as Vim, and both of them are fine and they are not that difficult to use. But the issue I faced that I cannot simply copy paste or cut paste inside those tools with the familiar key binding that all other applications uses, like Ctrl+C or Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V. Not just that, I have to configure those text editor just to access my clipboard manager. That's why I don't use them. I have another option, which one is basically pre-installed in every sort of Linux distribution, or I think maybe Windows has that as well, which is called a Nano. But Nano have a different kind of issue, like saving a file or searching files in Nano is quite a bit different than the regular key bindings or workflow. That's why I use Micro. Micro is basically a notepad. What you can do and how you can do in Notepad, you can basically do it in Micro. And this thing runs basically inside your terminal. So you get the visualization or aesthetics of the terminal. Let me show you. So let's say I want to create what file? todo.txt. Simply I just entered micro todo.txt and it created the file. If I press Ctrl+S, it will save wherever I was before opening this file, my directory. Here you can see it just take the theme of my terminal. How you can install it? Let me search through the winget. Search micro. Yeah, that is the one. So all you have to do is copy the ID and type winget install whatever micro I have done, and it will install the micro automatically and add to your path. As you can see, I have already installed this package, so it's not gonna install again. So this was my choice of text editor for basic tasks. I will not suggest it for heavier tasks like developing any sort of language or whatever. So that's all for today. Thank you.